J is jet, 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 flying high in the air, zooming through the clouds with speed and care. J is Japan, 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 a land full of charm, temples and blossoms that keep hearts warm. J is jewel, 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 sparkling bright, a treasure of beauty, a true delight. J is June, 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 when the summer begins, with warm sunny days and gentle winds. J is July, 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 fireworks in the night, a celebration of colors, shining so bright. J is January, 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 the year's fresh start, a time for new dreams with all our hearts. JKL, sing along with me, learning the alphabet is as fun as can be. Letters that sparkle, letters that shine, let's explore their magic line by line. K is king, 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 with the crown on his head, leading the kingdom where dreams are spread. K is kite, 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 flying up in the breeze, dancing with the wind above the trees. K is kettle, 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 whistling a tune, making warm tea for a cozy afternoon. K is knife, 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 so sharp and neat, slicing through bread, a wonderful treat. K is kitchen, 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 where meals are made, with pots and pans in a sweet parade. K is key, 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 unlocking the door to adventures and treasures waiting for more. JKL, sing along with me, learning the alphabet is as fun as can be. Letters that sparkle, letters that shine, let's explore their magic line by line. L is ladder, 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 climbing so high, reaching the stars in the vast night sky. L is lamp, 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 glowing so bright, guiding our way in the dark of night. L is leg, 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 strong and true, helping us jump, run, and dance too. L is library, 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 a magical space, with books and stories in every place. L is lollipop, 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 sweet and round, a colorful treat, the best around. L is lemon, 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 so sour and zest, adding flavor to dishes, simply the best. L is liver, 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 keeping us strong, helping our bodies work all day long. L is love, 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 the most precious thing, a feeling of joy that makes hearts sing. JKL, what a wonderful ride, exploring these letters side by side. The alphabet's magic will never end, so let's keep learning, my dear friend.